Did you know most service-based businesses lose clients? And not necessarily because their offers are bad, and neither because their services are terrible, but simply because they failed to follow up. If you're guilty of this, then you're losing or rather leaving money, Benjamins or dead presidents on the table. But worry not, because today I'll show you exactly how to fix it. 80% of sales happen after 5 to 7 follow-ups. 90% of businesses, however, give up quick after 1 or 2 follow-ups. But here's the harsh truth. Your leads ain't necessarily saying no, but what it is they're saying is not yet. Because what they really need are constant or rather reminders, trust building, and of course, proof that you are in fact the real deal. But most businesses ghost their own leads and then at the end of the day, wonder why sales are slow. So here's the 3-step fix. The first step, automate to personalize. Use tools like HubSpot, a simple spreadsheet to track interactions or touches. The second step, nurture your leads with value. Send frequently asked questions, case studies, testimonials, or the how-to tips, not just the buy now spams. The third and final step, stay consistent. 80% of replies come after the 5th follow-up, so don't quit at 1 or 2 follow-ups. Want my free 5 follow-up email sequence that convert cold leads into clients? Then comment follow-up below and I'll send it your way. Don't forget to subscribe for more profit boosting fixes.